is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a late night install. As you can see, it's dark outside. So here it is, the Underglow kit that I got. Your boy was too broke to drop some bands on the low glow. So we end up getting some Govy. Is it Govy or is it Govy? Some Govy Underglow. Alright. Bam. Got the remote. Yo. Damn, this is a big ass fucking. What is this? Oh my. Hey, let's go ahead and install it and see what's up. The more I mod out this car, the less I want to work on it, because the worst part about this car is getting it up in the air, bro. Now that the side skirt's on, it's even lower. But anyone can hook me up with some of those quick jacks, please. Alright, so after trying for like 30 minutes, well, thanks to help of Mr. Piggy over here, threw him under the wheel, and then we're able to get like, I don't know, like an inch to fit the jack under, so then we could jack up the car, bro. Now we gotta do the other side. See, once you get one side up, easy, bro. Just jack it from the subframe. Lower your car, they say. It will be fun, they say. God. Alright, we're under the car now. You see this plastic cover right here? We're gonna go ahead and take this off so we can route the wires going straight up into the engine bay and connect that the wires to the battery. Alright, so I got the bottom cover off. I threw my light down there. You can see the light shining through. I'm gonna go ahead and just follow the existing lines that's right here. You know, I feel like if we follow it, we'll be safe. I'm gonna do a I'm gonna throw a metal wire down there, tie it to the end of the Underglow, and then I'm gonna fish it up. See, so I have the wire right there tied up. Now we're just gonna fish it back up. Easy peasy. There it is. Okay, so from here, all I want to do is route the black. Well, for now, just black to black, red to red, and then tomorrow when the parts stores open, I can go ahead and grab one of those add a fuse and just connect our power to a fuse instead of going straight to the battery. But now we need to figure out what we want to do with this control. I don't know what this is called. What do you call this, bro? A little controller, little brain, the brain of the whole system. Where we want to mount this. Alright, so you see I zip tied that module to some kind of tab I found in here. Let's just hope it stays. Yeah, I think it'll stay. I also used the 3M tape that was provided on the back of the module, so I don't think it's gonna move anywhere. Spray some degrease on here. I'm using isopropyl alcohol. Just make sure the area is clean. Only thing about doing this is every time I take off the lip, I have to take this light off, bro. So there's arrows on this LED. Let's just make sure we're going the right way. Perfect. There we go. We got our first. We got the front on. Boom! Big review. Hey man, you know what they say, you get what you pay for. This shit is not as bright as the low glow shop. This thing was like 50 bucks. Yeah, let's be real. I didn't expect it to perform as great as the other one, but hey man, your boy is broke. Your boy is broke out here. But yeah, hey, not bad, not bad. Let's go ahead and start tucking in this side. Think about going through the fender well and then just going out there. Let's get to it. Alright, so we finally got the sides on. Hey, that shit looking baller. Look at the front, look at the front. Hey! Hey, check out the other scenes. Hey!
Check this out.
Hey! Hey, you know, back in the days, if your fart is the smelliest, you the king.
Oh, what?
Alright, now we just got one more side and then the rear, and we should be wrapping this up. It's so dark in here is because, god damn! Look at that, look at that. Oh shit! Let's go to the driver's side. Oh shit! Hey, like I mentioned before, man, you get what you pay for. Hey, if I had money, 100% I would want with the low glow, bro. Alright, so we got the app here. Go be home. So, if you guys see me at a meet, I will not be password locking this. So, hey, you find me at the meet, just go ahead and change to whatever color you want. I don't mind it, bro. But don't hack my car, bro. Don't turn into a transformer. Decepticon shit, bro. Alright, hey. Also, we're on the app right now. Check this out. Music. Yo. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Y'all know John Summit? You guys want it calm? Alright, enough with the music. Now, let's see. You can finger sketch. So, choose, I don't know, whatever color you want. That's why I did earlier for Jimmy to look at. Do a little bit of red. And then a little bit of blue. And then a little bit of red. And then a little bit of blue. And boom. Now we look like straight police, boy. Yeah. We look like straight 12. What do you guys think? You guys think we can rock this on the street? What do you think, Jim? Hey, let's look at the back too. We can't. Dang, the back going crazy. And look how fast I can make it. Oh shit! You ever want strobe lights? Bruh. Look at that shit.
Faster.
Look at that shit. What the fuck is a meteor scene? Oh shit! Watermelon. What the? Why is there Zootopia 2 scenery on here?
New movie.
What the hell?
Out,
Y'all want to do the Flash? Hey. You see it's moving super slow. Let's do Judy. Hey. Judy, the 12, bro. 12. Hey, this can kind of lit. Alright. The car is outside now. Now we get to see the full effect of the Underglow in 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Hey man, I wish this thing was a lot brighter, man. Why is it kind of not bright? If I were to pull up to a meet and then meet has street lights, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. And look, it doesn't go across the whole car. You see how there's gaps right there? Oh my.
You gotta get wheel well lights.
Yeah.
Fuck you. This is how you get away from the cops. Not actual advice.
Alright, y'all. That is all for the video. Thank you again if you watched this far. And if you've been keeping up with the videos. My boy is leaving back to Oregon again in a couple days.
Yeah.
So say goodbye. Hey, end of December, bro. We're going to Hawaii, bro. What's there to do in Hawaii?
End of summer.
I mean, end of December. We're going to Hawaii, bro. Honolulu. What's there to do out there, bro? Any car meet we should hit up? Because my buddy just picked up an STI. Guess where that shit's from? Fucking Hawaii, bro. So there, I know there's a car meet. I know there's a car scene out there, bro. Let us know. See you later.